Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today we're going to talk about the master portrait, professional portraits on your Xiaomi 15T Pro. So at first let me open the camera application and enter the portrait mode. And what now? Here, as you can see, we have the master portrait. So if you have here Leica Portrait, switch it to the master portrait. And what is a master portrait on the 15T Pro? It's a portrait mode that goes beyond just blur the background. It gives more creative control, different bokeh effects, choice of focal length, and more realistic subject separation, better lighting and color. It's part of the Leica calibration. There are Leica looks often driven plus compositional improvements from Xiaomi. For example, Portrait LM 2.0, Color LM 2.0 that help with color, contrast and depth. You get multiple focal lengths, equivalent actually, on the rear cameras to change perspective, wide angle, portrait, standard, telephoto, etc. This gives more stylistic flexibility. And how to use that? At first, open the camera like I do have here and enter the portrait mode. Here now choose the focal length, zoom actually. So let's for example turn it to 5x. Now select the bokeh blur style slash the blur style. Tap this, as you can see, focal. I mean the not focal. It was the portrait. As you can see, length, aperture. Yes, this was the aperture. And here, as you can see, we have standard and 3D bokeh, soft focus, wide, bubbles. As you can see, and we can, for example, select the switch bokeh and manage the aperture. Let's set it, for example, to the 4.5. Now we can take any, as you can see, take any thing, take a photo of it in this, and this is the picture that I've made. And actually that's it. Keep distance and use telephoto if needed. Use the proper lighting, use the camera grid and composition aids, choose the right Leica look, and refine in post. But actually that's it. Goodbye, have a nice day.